Lead411 is a comprehensive B2B data platform designed to support sales and marketing teams in their lead generation efforts. Here's how to effectively use Lead411 for lead generation. Define your target audience. Utilize Lead411's advanced search filters to identify potential leads based on criteria such as industry, company size, job title, location, and revenue. This targeted approach ensures you focus on prospects most likely to convert. Access verified contact information. Lead411 provides access to over 36 million verified contacts and 80 million companies, offering critical information needed to connect with key decision makers. Create segmented lead lists. Organize your leads into segments based on demographics or behaviors, such as grouping by industry or company size. This segmentation allows for more personalized and effective marketing efforts. Personalized outreach. Leverage Lead411's insights about prospects, including company updates or recent activities, to craft personalized pitches. Utilize dynamic fields like names or company details to enhance engagement. Launch email campaigns. Use Lead411's email sequencing feature to automate outreach, schedule follow-ups, and track email engagement, helping you identify and prioritize warm leads. Analyze and optimize. Monitor key metrics such as open rates, replies, and clicks to refine your strategy based on performance, ensuring continuous improvement in your lead generation efforts.